no, stress. You're gonna attack the cat. You're gonna attack the cat. The cat likes you, actually. No, you don't know what to do, do you? You don't know what to do, do you? You don't know what to do. I know. It's so confusing, isn't it? I know. This is my colorful little boy. Worried about this cat. Worried about this cat issue. Worried about the cat issue. Worried about the cat. Huh? Worried about this cat. Did you bite the cat? Don't bite the cat. Be nice to the cat. Good cat. Come here. Does Kitty want some pizza? Does Kitty want some pizza? Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Yes. Why are you so defensive of me? This cat is my friend. Yes, I know. You wanna come and meet her? Oh, no. Only at a distance. You're tough, aren't you? Yeah. Yes. Look at that. That is, I know. Such a happy, drooly cat. Oh, I know. Okay, I'll pet you too. Jeez. You guys are so difficult in the morning. Yes, you are. Still got a bite mark on my wrist. Yes, I do. Good boy. Wow. Oh God. Here's my dental treatment. You'll clean my teeth for me. I just gotta see your smile. I haven't brushed my teeth yet. Look at this. He's actually cleaning my teeth. Yes, here you go. Are you getting a meal out of my teeth? Yes, I haven't brushed my teeth yet, so. Here you are. You getting waste off that? Okay. I love you too. I love you too very, very much. God, this guy is this cool. Yeah, thank you for cleaning my teeth. Thank you for cleaning my teeth. God, he just really enjoyed that. It's actually a relaxing, weird, but relaxing experience. Yes, I know, I know. Yes, I love you, Barry. We all love you. We love Barry, yes. Barry, I tell you what, you could get your own fan club going, you know that? You are so nice. I know, you are so nice. You are so nice. Yes. You good boy. I need to film you in VR, don't I? Yes, I do. Look at all this stuff I got on me. Yes? You got all your bird dandruff on me. I just cannot believe how nice this little guy is. Yes. Oh, look at this. Yes, I love you very much. I love you very much. Yes, yes. Okay, I'll pet you. Yes. There we go. There we go. Sun Conure. Now, I have to say one of the best damn breeds around. This and the male eclectus, excellent animals. I'd have to say, yeah, when it comes to getting into parroting, the Sun Conure or a male eclectus, or even a black cockatoo. They're very expensive, but they got a really good temperament. But the colors of this thing here makes me want to buy one. I mean, this guy here is just the sweetest little thing. Yes, I know, I love you too. I love you too. The deal is with your animals here, with these guys here, it takes so long to get them tame. Unlike with the dog, they're naturally born tame. These guys here, like the one I'm working on right now, he's very feral, very feral. Still starting to learn how to calm down around me. Yes. You probably think I'm going to hump you, don't you? Yes. Now this is actually probably a no-no here, but with these with the females, touching them on the back is sexualizing them. It makes them think you're going to have sex with them. It also makes them think that you are their mate. This is why the birds bite people that are around me, is because the birds choose me as their mate. Yes, yes, yes. Or as a very, very close friend. And yeah, they get protective of you. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Yes, yes. I love you. Yes. Living in Iowa? Feeling down and out? Get a Sun Conure. Yes. Beautiful thing. Okay, I gotta get my breakfast. You gonna hang on? You gonna stay there? Okay. Let's go do it. Catch you guys later.